Hello friends, I am Reena. Today we will study about costumes of block palette. So we will simply click on costumes and here we will get this type of a screen. To change what a sprite looks like, its expression or its position, you need to change its costume. Costume are pictures of a sprite in different poses. So different costumes can make your sprite look like it's moving its arms and legs when you switch between the cat's two costumes. It's look like it's walking. Start a new project and try this example. We can show our cat walking by changing its costume, and here we can take a block from look and we will take here next costume, and we have to also select when flag clicked from event, and I'm moving this forever. So I will take here forever, and when I will click on flag, then the cat is moving very fast, and so I will have to give here wait. I'm changing its by zero point 0.5. I'm changing 1 second to zero point 0.5, and when I will click on flag, then the cat is moving slowly. Uh, and now we will select a background here, and I'm selecting here night city, and I will set its position in the proper place so that it looks like walking on the road. So I will give here move 10 steps from motion here, and it's going forever, and when it's on edge it will bounce. Now we need to add some more instructions here to run this program efficiently. So first of all, I need this pointing direction. When when our program starts running, the cat should be in 90 degree, and its starting position should be here. We will select this from go to X and Y. When our program starts running, the cat will be showing here, and now we can change this 0.5 to 0.2 so that it runs fast, and now I'm running this program. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.